Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. In my second lecture of this chapter, today we are going to discuss how to prepare statement of affair. Yes, dear students, the businessman at the end of the year always want to know what is the result of the financial year and what is the financial position of the business. But here they are not maintaining the proper books and they are keeping the incomplete record of the transaction. So here, to ascertain the profit or financial position at the end of the year, there are two methods. One is the statement of affair method and the other is conversion method. So I am discussing with you statement of affair method. According to this method, the profit is calculated by comparing the capital at the end as well as capital in the beginning. The difference between these two is known as profit or loss. If the capital at the end of the year is more than the capital in the beginning, then the difference is treated as profit, or if the capital at the end is less than the capital in the beginning, the difference is treated as a loss. So, to ascertain the profit according to this method, it is necessary to know the capital in the beginning of the year as well as the capital at the end of the year. Capital at the beginning is calculated by preparing an opening statement of affair, as well as capital at the end is calculated by preparing the closing statement of affair. It depends upon the question. If the beginning of the capital has been given, then there is a need to make only the closing statement of affair. If both the capital has not been given, then we are preparing the opening and closing statement of affair. So statement of affair is similar to the balance sheet and it is prepared in this way. I just show you the performa in front of you. Statement of affair, first we will write on the left hand side liabilities, then amount, then assets, and then again amount. Liabilities, as you are knowing, only the liabilities is the amount which is payable to the outsider, and the assets are the properties of the business. By using those properties, the business is earning the profit. So here you can see the assets can be the cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, stock, prepaid expenses, accrued income, furniture, plant and machinery. These all the assets amount will be written in the amount column, and we will do at the end the total of the same. The same way in the liabilities, we will write the liabilities like bank overdraft, bills payable, sundry creditor, any outstanding expenses or income received in advance. As we know only कि always assets are equal to the liabilities. Assets are equal to liabilities. And there are two types of liabilities, that is internal liability and external liability. So internal liability is known as capital and external liability is known as liabilities only, that is outsider liabilities. Okay, so here you just see, if I subtract outsider liabilities from the total assets, I will be getting here capital. So assets minus outsider liabilities is equal to the capital. Okay, so here you can see this formula has been given. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities, here liabilities are the outsider liabilities. So here when you will do the total of whole assets and you will just find the total of the liabilities, and there will be a difference, that balancing figure will be the capital. If this statement is prepared in the beginning, it is opening statement of affair. If it has been prepared at the end of the year, then it will be statement of affair at the end, or it will give us capital at the end, that will be closing capital. Now I just explain you the same thing with one practical problem. You just see here in front of you, Miss Priyanka runs a small bakery business. She was not maintaining her accounts on the double entry system. On 1st April 2016, She had started the business with a capital of rupees 78,000. You just see they have given us the capital on April 1. So this is the opening capital they have given us. So there is no need to make the statement of affairs in the beginning. On March 31st, 2017, her incomplete records could provide the data. Number 1, amount due to supplier of raw material. Amount due to supplier means you have to pay to supplier from whom you have purchased the raw material 17,500. This is the creditors. Okay, this is your liability, you have to pay the amount, so we will write on the liability side. Stock of raw material, this is our asset, this is raw material stock, this is finished goods stock, so this will be written on the asset side. Fixed assets will be written on the fixed asset sides. Amount due from customer, you have to take the amount, so it is again your asset. Then she had withdrawn 2,500 per month for meeting her personal expenses. This is the drawing, so it will not come in the statement of affair. She had introduced 7,000 as capital during the year. During the year, whatever the capital has introduced, this is the additional capital which have been introduced, so it will be used while we will calculate the profit and loss. She has cash at bank 21,000 and cash in hand 1,800. Again, this is asset, so it will be written on the asset side. Outstanding electricity bill, this is again the liability. Electricity charges has not been paid, so it should be paid, so this is outstanding, so this is the liability, it will be written on the liability side. At the end they have told us calculate the profit and loss. So first of all, you just see in this one question it has been given that opening capital, but the capital at the end has not been given. So what we will do, first of all, we will prepare a statement of affair. So see, first you just write on the top statement of affair as at 31st March 2017. Actually this financial year is ending at 2017 according to this practical problem. It is 2016-17, so beginning is 16 and the ending is 2017. On liability side, the amount which is due to supplier in the beginning first statement was there, that is 70,500. It has written outstanding electricity bill 2,250 and no more there is any liability. Now come to the asset side. You can see stock has been given of raw material and finished goods, so you can add and write collectively also, and you can write separately also 2,000 and 2,500. Then fixed asset already we have seen 34,000. Debtors are the customers from whom the business has to take the money, those are the customer and those are known as debtors. 42,000 cash in hand and cash at bank. Now first you have to do the total of asset side. It comes 1,03,300. Both the sides same total will be written in front of each other, and when will you subtract this creditor and outstanding bill, you will get here balancing figure, that is 83,550, and this is the capital at the end of the year. Now we are having the capital at the end as well as we are having the capital in the beginning, so we can prepare here the statement of profit and loss. See बेटे, here the statement of profit and loss, सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिखना है, capital at the end of the year, which we have now only calculated. This is 83,550. Now what we have to add here, first we have to add drawing they have given us monthly, so we will multiply it by 12. Drawing, after adding drawing we will get here 1,13,550 less fresh capital or additional capital introduced, that has been given in this practical problem 7,000. So this 1,06,550 is the adjusted capital during the year. Now when we will subtract capital in the beginning, what will be the difference, that is profit for the period. I think this practical problem is clear to all of you. Now Once more, the format of a statement of affair has been shown in front of you. You can prepare the opening statement of affair or closing statement of affair as it is required in the practical problem, and you can put the liabilities on the liability side and assets on the asset side. Yes, children, you can pause the video and just note down this practical problem and then try to solve yourself own first, and later on you can check your answer with the given solution. I think this is clear to all of you. Thank you very much. God bless you all.